Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm in Walmart right now and I'm going to show you how to access their hidden clearance deals. They have clearance obviously at Walmart, but there's a special thing you can do to access hidden clearance. So what you do is you download the Walmart app. So you just grab your phone, go to the App Store, and this one just says open because I've already downloaded it, or you can download it and then open it from there. Now in the top right-hand corner in this search bar here, there's a scan symbol. So press that scan symbol and look. You can scan the code here. You can scan the barcode on this pressure washer. We're starting off here. It's $135. And look to the right here. It says $99 at this store. That's a $36 savings. Now what you do is you click right on the description here. You click this and it shows the full name, description, everything about this product. And you can look at the reviews. And a lot of times clearance items, you may be wondering, why is it on clearance? Now this one's actually not on clearance, but you can find out more about the product that way. And then you take this up to the cashier and they'll have to match this as long as it says $99 at this store. So next up, let's try this Hyper Tough 200 lumen thin profile LED headlamp. And then we'll bring out the app here. This scans the barcode and it's going to be $6.50. So not only is it clearance at 11 down from 16, it's now $6.50, so almost half of that. Now we go ahead and click it. You can see it's got almost 5 stars here, 58 reviews, and you can read more about this product here. And then again, you're going to bring this up to the cashier and show them this. A lot of times it's going to say out of stock, but I mean, if there's one left, then it's obviously not out of stock. But one key is to set your store location to the store you're shopping in. Otherwise, it's going to give you false information. Now, when you're in Walmart, it can be difficult finding these deals. I found most of these deals were on items that were already on clearance or rollback items. If you're buying big non-food items though, it's just helpful to check them. You just pull up the Walmart app, go ahead and scan and just see if there's a lower price online. You can get up to half off. Next up, let's try it on this PlayStation charging station. So this is $19.88. Let's pull up the app here, and I've scanned the code already, but let's scan it and it says $16.99. So that's a decent savings. I mean, on a game controller that price. But keep in mind, look, it says it's still $19.88 at this store. So the $16 price is only going to be good for online. That's something that you have to keep in mind when shopping because it may be cheaper just to buy it online. And then obviously you can look down for any protection plans for any large ticket items down below. Now here's an interesting item here. This is a mid-back office chair from Mainstays. We're going to scan this here. So we bring up the app and we scan it and it says price when purchased online. It says $75 and that's scanning it from $85, the price listed in the store. But when we click it here, so let's go ahead and click it after we scanned it, it's going to load and say $75 at this store. So according to what we know, it should be $75, $10 off at this store. But the previous screen did not say that. One thing that you also want to check and make sure of is that it says at this store. So next to the price, it says this price at this store. And the reason you do that is because you want to make sure that price is valid at the store. Sometimes it's just valid online, and that's not going to help you if you're in the store shopping. Next up here we have this auto drive window fan and defogger. So it's on clearance at $19.50 down from $29.88. And we're going to bring up our app here to go ahead and check the price on clearance here. It says $11.50 at this store. So we know it's that price at this store, so it's going to be almost half off of the $19 clearance deal here. And you can go ahead and click here to get the full description of the product here. Now it's still saying it's sold online for $26. They could just be trying to clear inventory here and make space for other items. So that could be a reason why they're doing this. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual official clearance aisle. So this is the official clearance aisle in this store, and I was going to go ahead and check these items here. First up, we have this UTV cover. It looks like it's from the Rust-Oleum brand. It says Never Wet, and it says $45, although we do have the $22 clearance. So let's see if this is going to reflect that $22 here. It looks like it does. It's going to reflect the $22 at the store price. A lot of times they don't, so you just want to scan it and definitely see what it covers. So this one only has 1 star for some reason, and you can go ahead and click and get a full description of it and see if it's what you want. And you can see if it's worth the $22. Maybe it isn't because of the 1 star. Next up, we have these clearance snow scrapers and brushes here. So we'll pull out the app and go ahead and scan it here. It looks like it's saying it's $3 here, and we'll go ahead and scan it here, and it's $150, so it's half that. So it's an auto drive 24-inch winter driving snow brush and ice scraper, 24 inches, and that's half off. So it's saying it's out of stock online, but they've got a ton of them here. We'll go ahead and click on the right hand side here. You can look at all the ratings. I mean, you're getting it half off, but you can still check it out online and see if it's worth it. One other thing, I believe if it's a third-party seller, they won't honor it. So just you can scroll down and check on that as well. It'll have like someone's name underneath it. And I think they won't honor it if it's a third-party seller. So it has to be Walmart selling it, not a third party. Now, it was kind of hard to find these hidden clearance deals, I'm not going to lie. I was hoping to find more in the tool section because that's what I make most of my videos about. But I didn't really find a lot in the tool section. But you can still find them on your own if you just open up the app and then go to the deal section where it says up top, and you're going to see all the different savings. It looks like there is one saw there at 59. But what you're going to do is click in store, and that's going to show you the in store savings. So from there, you can select your store, of course, and then scroll down and see what the savings are in that store. Now, just remember that when you try to scan these different items, these aren't going to show necessarily a different price when you scan them online. I tried that with a few of these things, like the Mobile One oil here, and it just showed the same price online. So, I mean, it is a deal, it's money off, but it's something you can look up on the actual app, and it's going to reflect the price on the app without having to scan and look for a different price. So, another thing you can do is you can go up here and click on price, and you can select a price range. So if you want things under, I think I was able to get it, it said $96. You can probably go a lot lower for different deals, and then it'll filter by price under $96. Or you could probably do 50, 20 if you have a budget you're walking in there. Or you can go by departments too. This is home improvement, household old essentials, and you can search deals by that way. So I've actually really never used the Walmart app before, but this definitely helps.